Yo, what's up, family? What's up, friends? Come on in. Come on into the office. OG Larry, and coming at you with a end of the day video. We have about an hour left before the market closes, so I just wanted to do this update during real time and go over some of what's going on with these charts and the plays that were in the videos that we talked about yesterday. So this is kind of like an update video on SMH and APLD from where we opened, where they were at yesterday when we talked about them from initially, and where they're at right now. So we look at SMH, which is a semiconductor ETF. We opened up today at right around 367, and right now we're at 374. So that's a significant increase for today, just price action for today. So we got a nice little bounce, and like I said, as far as ETFs go, this thing has a phenomenal return rate. And if you just look at it on the day, if you would have caught it earlier today, based on the information that we had last night and yesterday and leading up to today, you're already ahead in this position. Look at APLD. APLD opened up right around $25 and it's pushed as high as 28.44, right around 28 right now. So APLD, I put that on your radar. And while I said I was going to get a position started, but it kind of took off before I was ready to get in. So I'll wait on it. I'll wait on my pullback, and if APLD pulls back, I'm still getting in. And the market, if you just want to look at some of the other chip stocks, look at MU. Look at this big candle right here. We're on a 30-minute right there. We had a 30 right there right after opening. We opened at 295. We're up almost $18 from there, from 295 right here to 314 right here. That's an $18 move on MU. So of course, rising tide lifts all boats. So we had a little pump in Nvidia today, but Nvidia came back down and now is back around at 188, 189 area. So like I said, if Nvidia can get over 190 and hold 190.50 actually and hold, then it's still a good look for calls next week. So keep these on your radar for next week and beyond. And if you're looking for long terms or if you're looking for short term max, we got the spy. We need to get over and hold this. We opened at 685 and been as low as 679 today on the spy. So it's been kind of choppy up and down. It hasn't picked its direction upward or downward. So until we get over that 689, 690 area on the spy, then it's kind of like it's going to be choppy. And if you want to scalp it, which is what I did today, which is scalped SPX, and was able to get away. But at the same time, we're still waiting for this thing to pick a direction. We got a lot of red in the market today. Bitcoin tried to get over 90K, went up as high as almost 91K today. So Bitcoin is on the verge of being on a move back up. While I think the top might be in Bitcoin, we still have a lot of room to go back up there to test it again. So we're still in this zone to where we get over and hold above 90K. We could still push back up to 100K. So Bitcoin is going to deserve a look this weekend video. So look out for that Bitcoin, and a Bitcoin play that I'm going to be looking at is Coinbase and maybe MSTR. So we'll look at those over the weekend to see what this crypto move is going to do. So that's just I just wanted to tap in a little quick one to go over what's going on, what I see with SMH. SMH is looking good. APLD is looking good, all things considered. So keep these on your radar. Nvidia's holding 188. Nvidia get that pump. So if Nvidia gets that pump, if we get anything like what MU did, then we'll be good. Well, let's see. What about AVGO? AVGO went 252, almost 253, and came back down. So some of the chip stocks are doing good. Some of them are just consolidating. Some of them are up and down. So just be patient. Wait for your time. Wait for the market to come to you. And with that being said, I'm gonna get on out of here. It's Friday. It's the first day of trading for the new year for me. I had a pretty decent day, so I'm trying to make this the first day of every day for the rest of this year. And I won't trade every day. And I'm learning that trading less could be turn out to be a whole lot more as we go through the 2026. Waiting for these setups, waiting for these plays. So join me on GTradestv. Subscribe, and whether it's a quick scalp or whether it's a nice play that's of great value to put into your long-term portfolio. I'm gonna try to come with you with all the information that I can, and with all the education that I can. So join me on this ride. The channels are growing, the viewers are growing, the subscribers are going. So help me start getting these videos to hundreds and 1,000 likes, and get the subscribers up. And I'm gonna come at you from an OG perspective and try to give you the best game that I know possible, that's understandable as possible, and that's gonna help you navigate these markets. So with that being said, I'm out here. Peace.